Okay, so our previous lesson, we look at how to convert this numbers from base 10 to base what? To using the precision floating point. This time around, we are going to convert this one back to base 10. And this question, you have already solved this question, where we had negative 5.75. Okay, so let's see if we can convert this one back to that negative 5.75, because that negative 5.75, that's why we converted, we had this. So let's see how we go about it. Now let's look at this, our table. We said this side is the sign. And we are saying this side is the exponents. And this side is the mantissa. Now, if you look at 1, 2, 3, we said that if here is 1, the first number is 1, it means that your sign is negative. If it is 0, it means that the sign is what? Positive. So since it's 1, our sign will be negative. Okay, so that one you don't have problem with it. Now we also know that our exponents is equal to bias plus what? Power. Now, how do we get the exponent? The exponent is the next 8 numbers. So our next 8 numbers here is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Base 2. So you convert this one to base 10, and that will give you 1, 2, 9. Is that okay? So now we have our exponents to be 1, 2, 9. So that will be 129 equals to bias, which is 127 plus the power. So our power will be equals to 129 minus 127. So our power will be equals to 2. That means we moved 2 times to the left. Is that okay? That's what we did. Now, from this point, now we know our exponents. Now let's move to the mantissa part. The mantissa part is the one that comes immediately after the exponent. So immediately after the exponent, you have 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay? But when you were writing it, you wrote it as 1 point. So always, when you are taking the mantissa part, you bring 1 point before you bring the decimal part, which is, because we said that the mantissa part is the decimal part. So that's how it works. The zeros here are all numbers that we just added, because if you remember when we are converting, when you go to this point, you realize that the mantissa have to take 23, but what we're having was not up to 23, so we just added with 0. So you don't even need to bring those zeros, okay? Now, the power 2 means that we moved 2 times to the left, so we are going to move 2 times to the right. So I'll stand here and move 1, 2. So this side will give me 101.11 times 2. Okay, so I've moved 2 times to the left, that will be negative 2. But here we are not using this. Now, from here, this is our focus. So we are going to consider the whole part, which is 101 in base 2. And we convert this one to base what? 10. So that will give us 5. Or you convert this to base 10 to give you 5. Then you also pick the 0.11. And you also convert this one to base 10. That will be 1 times, because it will be negative 1, negative 2. So 1 times 2 to the power negative 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power negative 2, like this. So this one will give you 1 So this one will give you 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4, because 2 divided by negative 2, sorry, 2 to the power negative 2 is the same as 1 over 4. Okay, so from here, let's add 1 over 2 to 1 over 4. So we have 3 over 4 which is equals to 0.75. Okay, so it means that 101.11 base 2 to base 10 will be 5.75. Okay, but you are not done. You are not done with the conversion. We said that once the first number here is positive, sorry, 1, means that the sign will be negative. Therefore, our final answer will be negative 5.75. So if you have to convert this one to this, to base 10, this is what you will get. Okay, let's look at this example. You have to convert the whole of this one to base 10. So the first thing to do here is to be able to identify your sign. Since here is 0, the first number is 0, our sign will be positive. Okay. The next one is your exponent. So here our exponent is 1,0,0,0,0,0,0,1. The exponent is the first, sorry, after the 0, the next 8 numbers, that's your exponent. So you convert this one to base 10, that will be 129. Okay. From there, you look for our power. So we said our exponent is equals to power plus the bias. So our exponent is 129 equals to the power plus the bias, which is 127. It means that our power equals to 129 minus 127. So our power equals to 2. So now we have our power to be 2. So our power is 2 now. So once we get our power, let's look at the mantissa, that's the decimal part. So the next number to this, but you can see that this one is not like 0, 0 like what you did to the first one. This one, it was repeating. So you have to look at the pattern. If you don't look at the pattern, you get it wrong. So we have, if you look at the pattern, you have 0, 1, then you have 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So what you do here is that you pick, I've already told you that first you have to take the 1 point, then you pick the numbers, and that would be 0, 1, then you take 0, 0, 1, 1, like that, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So it means that it's going that way. You can also put a bar on top of the 0011. After getting this, the power here means you have to move backwards 2 times. So we have 101, because I move 1, 2, point 0011, 0011, 0011, like that. Times, let's say 2 to the power like 2, because you are moving to the right. Then after that, our focus is on this. So I'll pick the whole part, which is base 2, and convert it to base. And convert this one to base 10. And this one will give me 5. Then I also take the whole part, which is 0.0011, 0011, 0011, like that. Here will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. It's okay. Up to this side, it's okay. So the first one will give me 0, the second one will give me 0. So we have 1 times 3 to the, 2 to the power -3 plus 1 times 2 to the power -4 plus, like that. So this one give 1/8 plus 1/16 plus 1. So let's add them together. 1/16. So this is 0.1875. We have 0.1875. So let's add this one to this, and this will give us 5. Okay, let me write this one first. 101.00110011 will give us 5.1875. So if we to convert this one to one decimal place, that will give you 5.2. But our final answer here will be, you have to consider your sign. Saying this side was 0, the sign will be positive. So our final answer will be 5.2. That's all. Thank you for watching. Share, subscribe, in fact, watch and watch it all.